Have you ever spent months studying English, only to freeze the moment you had to order a simple coffee? You know the words. You've practiced the grammar. But the second you step up to the counter, your brain just stops. You stutter. You point at the menu. You settle for a drink you didn't even want just to end the embarrassment. You walk away feeling like all those hours of study were a waste. But here's the truth. The problem isn't your English. It's your fear of being imperfect. But remember, you don't have to be perfect. You just have to be brave. When you stop worrying about the right tense and focus on the right connection, the world opens up. A mistake isn't a failure. It's a step toward fluency. So, speak up. Be misunderstood. Then try again. Because English isn't a subject to pass. It's a life to live. Stop studying. Start speaking. Subscribe to learn how to speak with confidence.